Good morning. There's one more in this section after this, but today we're talking about range. Range, you will see, has also the words variety or varies. They'll use those words on a word problem saying, well, what shows the variety or what shows how it varies? And you would say, oh, that's range. Range is also part of the central means of tendency. And you're going to use it when you're talking about a set of data and how much it varies. So how much it differs, how much it's changing. It's really, really easy. You start with your numbers and you don't have to put them in order. I do. I think it's easier. You start with your largest number. You subtract minus the smallest. Okay, now maybe you can see that better. The largest minus the smallest. That's it. So you go to your data set. Remember, your data set is just numbers. So here's my 50, my 80, my 90, a 100, and a 110. Well, 50 obviously is my smallest, and 110 is my largest. So now I'm going to go 110 minus my 50, and I'm going to get 60. So 60 is my range. It is from the beginning to the end. How much is there a change? How much did it vary? It varied by 60. 60 is my range. That's all there is to it. You find the largest and the smallest number, and you subtract those two numbers. Now, when is range used? Sometimes you might talk about temperature across the United States. Well, what is the range in temperatures when you're looking at across the United States? Or speed limits across just your county alone. Let's say in Dallas County, there's a lot of different speed limits. Dinner bills at a restaurant, depending on how many people you have, is going to depend on what your dinner bill is going to be. And the price of gas, which goes up and down and it's all over the place. Okay? So those are some examples of range. Again, range, you're going to see the vocabulary words vary in variety, and all you have to do is find the largest and the smallest and subtract. And that's it. I'll see you next time.